I scratched myself. That hurt. That hurt. Ow. Oh dang! IWX extended and updated extended and expanded the SBA, and I gotta catch the extension of it for Ohio. So that means it's probably gonna be a double under. Cause right now I'm getting W647, which is served by IWX, Grand Rapids, Cleveland, and my office. Alright. Let's get it worse. Nope.
I had exactly right on the dome in the fabulous.
Yep. Alright, I'm waiting for them to tone out the SBA extension for Ohio.
IWX tornado warnings right now.
Yeah, I see. I'm not even able to get them because I cannot get lock range. The only counties I could get that's stuck from IWX is Ohio counties.
Southeast lower Michigan. Severe thunderstorm watch 550.